Good morning, gentlemen and respected CTO sir. My lecture topic is Election Commission of India. This is very important topic for all of us. So, what is Election Commission? Election Commission of India, an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administrating union and state elections process in India. Election Commission administers election to Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislative assembly and offices of president and vice president in the country. Background of Election Commission of India. Part 15 of our Indian Constitution deals with elections and establishes of commission for these matters. Election Commission was established on 26 January 1950 along with our Constitution. Article 324 to 329 of the Constitution deals with power, function, tenure, eligibility, etc. of Commission and its members. Structure of the Commission. Commission consists of one Chief Election Commissioner and two Election Commissioners. In present, Rajiv Kumar is our Chief Election Commissioner. Secretariat of Commission is located in New Delhi. The President appoints Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioners. They have a fixed tenure of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, which is earlier. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from office only through a process of removal similar to that of Supreme Court judge for by the Parliament. Functions. To decide the election schedule for the conduct of periodic and timely elections. It prepares electoral roll, issues electronic photo ID card EPC IC. It decided on the location polling station, assignment of voters to the polling station, location of the counting centers. It grants recognition to political parties and allot election symbols to them along with settling dispute related to it. Way forward. Until the controversy related to glitches in EVM settle down, Commission needs to establish its trust among people by installing VPATs in more and more constituents. Thanks.